Hello people, today we are going to make roast strawberry pudding. First, we'll take a bowl and then we'll add 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of milk to it. We'll mix it really well so that no lumps are formed. In a kadhai, we'll add 1.5 cups of milk and half cup of sugar to it. Stir it really well until the milk starts boiling. Add the prepared cornflour mixture which we made earlier. Then add half teaspoon of agar-agar and cook it until the mixture becomes thick. Then we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of rose syrup. You can also use ruafza. Stir it really well. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of solar strawberry essence. Again, we'll give a good stir to our mixture. Once it is done, we'll cool down the mixture and put it into a bowl. We'll keep our mixture in refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes so it's cooled down and settled. Once it is settled, we will add our favorite nuts and your roast strawberry pudding is ready.